At my school, there's not really anyone who likes writing like I do.
I wanted to join GrubStreet's writing program to go to a space where there were other people, teens like me, and then also instructors that were there to help me hone my craft.
Community is at the core of GrubStreet. I think everyone here wants you to succeed and wants you to be a better writer.
I would describe GrubStreet's teen program as an immersive writing retreat for young people.
Teens explore everything from poetry to science fiction and fantasy to hybrid forms, fiction and creative nonfiction.
It's a place where inspiration just flows to me a little bit more. The whole atmosphere is just so welcoming.
I see a lot of friendships forming. I see a lot of creative sparks flying.
We have major authors that come to this program and speak.
Open mics throughout the session where they can practice getting on stage in a supportive space, practice public speaking in an environment where people want to see them succeed.
It's very fun to be in.
It is a rich and rewarding opportunity to grow as a writer, to connect with others professionally about the publishing and writing industry, but also to find that wonderful sense of community that can be really hard to find elsewhere.
Being here with other kids my age makes you sort of think that all the doubt is just in your head.
Being in a room with a bunch of other teams who also have the same goal as me, it feels like there's a teamwork.
The ability to use language is such a powerful outlet and will serve teens throughout both their personal and their professional lives.
This program has really helped me grow as a writer. The biggest way is it's given me this confidence.
This program has helped me make many new friends and just connect to people.
It's helped me immerse myself in my reading, in my writing.
I think having that community allows them to develop a fuller sense of self.
Anyone can be a writer and everyone has a story to tell.
Great stories can change the world. The teen writers who come through this program really walk away with an empowered sense of that.
The effects from this program will be felt echoing far into the future.